Venison Soup. 3 pounds of venison, what are considered the inferior pieces, will do. 1 pound corned ham or salt pork. 1 onion. 1 head of celery. Cut the meat. Chop the vegetables and put on with just enough water to cover them, keeping on the lid of the pot all the while, and stew slowly for 1 hour. Then add 2 quarts of boiling water, with a few blades of mace and a dozen whole peppers. Or, should you prefer, a little cayenne. Boil 2 hours longer, salt and strain. Return the liquor to the pot. Stir in a tablespoonful of butter, thicken with a tablespoonful of browned flour wet into a smooth thin paste with cold water. Add a tablespoonful of walnut or mushroom catsup, a teaspoonful of Worcestershire sauce or other pungent sauce, and a generous glass of madeira or brown sherry.